In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files using Google Drive. Whether you're sharing documents for a team project or just need to send someone a quick file, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy. Let's dive right in so you can start sharing files quickly and efficiently. First, open your Google browser and make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is important, as Google Drive is deeply integrated with your Google services, allowing you seamless access to all your files stored in the cloud. Once you're on your browser, take a glance at the top right corner where you'll locate the Google Apps icon, which resembles a small grid of dots. Click this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of Google applications at your fingertips. Among these applications, you'll find Google Drive. Give that a click and you'll be directed to your main Drive page, which acts as the centralized hub for all your stored files and folders. From here, you can see everything you have saved in the Drive, from documents to images to spreadsheets. Now, to select the file you wish to share, look through your Drive and find that specific document or item. If it's already listed neatly in your folders, simply double click it to open, or right click it for a speedy menu option that provides access to sharing tools. After your file is either opened or selected, you're ready to proceed to the sharing process, which is both straightforward and flexible. You'll notice a share button, usually situated at the top right section of the page when the file is highlighted or open. Click on this button and it will bring up a sharing settings dialog. This is where the action happens. You'll see a field where you can input the email address or Google group name of the person or team you wish to share the file with. Once you've entered the necessary email addresses, it's time to choose an access level. You have three options here: viewer, commenter, or editor. Select the appropriate level based on how much access you'd like them to have. Viewers can only look at the file, commenters can add comments, while editors can make changes to the document. An optional step you should consider is deciding whether to notify the recipient. Usually notifications are a good idea as they alert the recipient and provide a direct link to the file. However, if you want to invite them quietly, you can uncheck the notification box. Finally, when you're ready to wrap things up, click send or share to complete the process. Your recipient will then have access to your file according to the permissions you've set. And just like that, you've mastered sharing on Google Drive. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel more confident in sharing your files with ease. Thanks for watching and see you next time.